Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, content creator, Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to solve here SSC 2021 Dhaka Board Higher Mathematics MCQ solution. Inshallah, in this content we will discuss how to answer all MCQ within 25 minutes. And here we will discuss two methods. One is traditional method, another is shortcut method. Inshallah, after the class, each and every one you can learn how to answer MCQ within a short time. Okay, let's see the question, then we will discuss one by one. SSC Higher Mathematics Dhaka Board 2021 MCQ solution and discussion class. So here we see two pages question. In the first page there are total 10 questions. Another second page there are another 15 questions, so total 25 questions. Here the first MCQ is f of x equal 3 absolute value of x minus 5x, where x is smaller than or equal 11 and greater than or equal 3. So we all know domain is the value of x, which we can apply here in the function. So here lowest value is given here -2, highest value is given here 11. That's why domain is the value of x. So now domain is number b, and here answer is -2 and 11, including -2 and 11. This is our answer b. So second question, what is the range of f? So now f, we see here domain, lowest value of the domain is -2 and the highest value is 11. When we apply here -2, then f of x will be 3 absolute value of -2 minus 5 multiplied 2. So here -2 and its absolute value will be +2, because the minus in the formula, if we write here -2, like -2 absolute value, when the negative sign there will be another minus, so 2 there will be plus. So here 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10, and minus minus plus there will be 16. When we apply here 11, in the same way we are doing the calculation, we will get here -22. So for -2 we get here 16, and for 11 we get here -22. That means our answer is C. Now question number 2 is done. Here the next question, question number C. Third question, if nth term of a sequence is un 1 minus first bracket minus 1/3 whole to the power n, then which one is the ninth term? So there is a sequence is given here. From this sequence we have to find the ninth term. So just apply n, un, just write here in place of n, you can write here u9. So here just put the value 9 and do the calculation here. -1 and -1 and 1/3 whole to 9. Here we see -1/3 whole to the power 9. This power is odd number. So including minus, this power is odd number. Overall result will be minus. When this number will be even number, then always negative number will be positive. But the here power is odd number, so there will be 1 and remaining minus here 3 to the power 9. So now this is the minus, here another minus, here another minus is also given. So minus minus plus and 1/3 to the power 9. After doing the calculator, you can do the calculation here. There will be 19,664 divided by 19,683, which is answer number B. So now next question, question number 4. Here the next question, question number 4. Another important question here, log x base root over 27 is equal to 2 whole 2/3. Then what is the value of x? Now just doing the calculation, we know here the formula. Suppose log of x, there is a 5 and suppose this is a 2. So in this step, we can write the formula here. X to the power 2 is equals to 5. So in the same way, here root over 27 to the power this one is equal to x. So this one will be the index of root over 27. So root over 27 means 3 cube and root means half. And here convert this one, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 by 3. So now all are the power, that do the simplification of the powers. 3 multiply half multiply 8 by 3, you will get here 3 to the power 4. And this is our answer, 3 to the power 4. Now see the next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Y equal to y minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. Then there are 3 information given here. First step, just convert the equation into the standard form, like y equal to mx plus c. So comparing this equation, we see here slope m equals to 5. That means first information is correct. And c is called the y-intercept. Here y-intercept is 7. So that means c is y-intercept, which is 7. And the third information here given, intersecting, this is spelling mistake, intersecting point of y-axis. No, y-intercept is 7. So intersecting point must be in y-axis. X will be 0. Then value of y is 7. When we write here 7, 0, that means this is the point in x-axis, because here abscissa is 7, ordinate is 0. The question given here point in y-axis, that means abscissa must be 0 and y is the intersecting point of y-axis or y-intercept. So this one will be 0, 7. Third information is wrong. So for answer is A. Now next question, question number 6. Here the question number 6. What is the common ratio of the geometric series which first term is 1 and the sum of the series up to infinite is at the, that means the result infinite series, as infinite is given here, first term a is given 1 here. So from these questions we have to find the value of r. So now here given as infinite, we all know here a 1 minus r, and this infinite value is given here 2 root over 3 divided by 2 root over 3 minus 1. That means they are the same. Just now here put the value of a equals to 1 and do the simple calculation, do the cross multiplication, find the value of r, which is 1 by 2 root over 3, and this answer is A. Now this is the question number 6 done. Now we will discuss the next question, question number 7. So here question number 7 is if theta equal to 3 pi by 2, then sec theta plus pi by 6 equal to 2. Here see the all information. Now question number 7. Put the value of sec theta equals to 3 pi by 2 pi by 6. So now we have to know here the theta and n times. Suppose this is 3 n, or right here pi by 2, like pi by 2 multiply n plus theta. When you see n is odd number, n is odd times, we all know here like 3 is odd number, here 3 is odd number, 3 is odd number. Then sine theta converted as cos theta, and also cos theta converted as sine theta. Same, tan theta converted into cot theta, and cot theta converted into tan theta. So sec theta, here also sec theta converted into, here sec theta converted into cosec theta, sec theta converted into cosec theta, and cosec theta converted into sec theta. When the there are 90 odd times of pi by 2. So here pi by 2, that 3 means odd times. So now first step sec theta, here sec theta converted as the cosec theta, sin theta converted as the cos theta, and cot theta converted as the tan theta. So now how we can find the plus or minus? So here this MCQ is Like if we draw a quadrant here, sec 3 pi plus something, 3 pi by 2, that means 390 plus something. So if we write here first 90, second 90, and third 90, here 390 plus something means the next step. So here first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So in this fourth quadrant, here this is the positive and this is negative, and this hypotenuse is always positive. So here in the fourth quadrant, sec theta is always, here sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent, so both are the positive. That's why there will be plus. This one is plus. And sin theta here is 3 pi by 2, or the 390 minus something. 390 minus something, here this one will be third quadrant. 390 minus something, if we write here like first 90, second 90, and third 90. 390 minus something means back. So third quadrant sign, this is negative, and this is always positive. So now negative by positive for sin theta, there will be minus. That's why for the third quadrant, this is negative, and for this 3, sign converted as a cos. So now cos pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 3. In the same way, the tan theta will be in the third quadrant, tan is always positive because here this is minus and this is minus. So now minus by minus, there will be minus plus. That's why tan is positive. Now this tan pi by 3, which is root over 3. So I think there are first information is correct, second information is correct, and third information is correct. Finally, answer is D. There are 4 information correct. Now see the next question, question number 8. Another important question here. Which one is 20 terms of the sequence? So here we see the sequence. Here this is 1, and this is the 1 means here if we write here and this is n square, and then twice n minus 1. So if we put the value n equals to 1, there will be n square by 2 multiply 1 minus 1. That means 1 by 1 is equals to 1. For n equals to 2, we will get here 2 square by 2 to the 4, 2 multiply 2 minus 1. That means here is 4 by 3. So that means this is the nth term sequence, n square by twice n minus 1. So now 20 term, just put the value n equals to 20. After doing the calculation, n equal to 20, we will get here 400 by 39, and this is our answer, 400 by 39. Now next question, another one of the most important and common question in every exam. Find the quadrant. So here minus 1290 lies in which quadrant? So first step, that you have to divide this one by the 90, because 90 degree changes the one quadrant to another quadrant. So after doing the divide, we are getting here minus 14.33. So minus 14.33 is just now here. This is, if we do multiply 14 multiply 90, there will be 30 less than this one. So add this one. So there are now 14 step, 14 quadrant, then the next quadrant. So 14 plus next, there will be total 15. So now we can find the 15 here. That means 4 times. For this is the negative angle. Negative angle always clockwise. So here 4, then again 4, 8, again 4, 12. So if we started from here, 1, 4, 8, 12, and 16. So 8, this is 12, and next is 16. In every 4, it will be rooted in the fully. So after 4, 90 degree, 80 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. So 1 step complete. That means 4 step. The next 8, the next 12. So here there are total 15. 12 is here, 12, then 13, 14, and 15. And 15 is here. This is the second quadrant. And this is the second quadrant. Quadrant always count from first, second, third, fourth. But here angle is negative. That's why we are doing the calculation from the clockwise. Negative angle always clockwise, but the quadrant always count in the anti-clockwise. So this is done. Now the next question, question number 10. Here the question number 10 and 11 we have to solve by using this system. Tan theta equal to 4/3, m equal to sin a plus cos a, where theta equal theta and a are acute angles. What is the value of sec theta plus cot theta? So here tan theta information is given here. That means opposite and adjacent are given. By using this Pythagorean theorem, we can find the hypotenuse. So when the three sides are clear, sec theta, put the value of sec theta and cot theta adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent by opposite, and sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent. So doing the calculation, this answer will be 29/12, and this is A. So now this the up to 10 MCQ is done. Now the next MCQ is 11 number MCQ. M equals to √3. In the two different way, we will show this MCQ here. First way, doing the MCQ. So here m equals to √2. M equals to √2. Then what is the value of A? The m equals to √2 from the question. M equals to sin a plus cos a. Doing the square on the both side. Then this is the 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, there will be 1, and divided by this 2. Then squaring on the both side. This one will be sin square, there will be cos square, then cos square converted into sine. Doing the simplification, take here the minus common, and there is a formula a minus b whole square. So now there is 2 sin square equals to 1 and sin theta equals to pi/4, 1/√2, which is a equals to pi/4. And this is the traditional method. But in the shortcut method, you can do this one just trying the put the value here pi/4, then try pi/3, then 3 pi/4, then try 5 pi/4. In which case, if you get m equals to √2, then this one will be answer. So now here you can see this is called the justification from the option. If we put the value a equal to pi/4 from this option, after doing the calculation, we get here √2, which is m. That means left hand side, right hand side, both are same. If we apply here a equal to pi/4, and this is our answer. Okay, now next question, question number 12. Here, if the points -7, 7 and r,7 are equidistant from origin, then what is the value of r? Considering this is the origin and 1 point, just taking this is the 7. Here the both ordinate are the same. When the distance are the same from the origin, that means abscissa must be the same. So here, if we consider here the +7, and this point will be in the first quadrant. If we consider r is the -7, these 2 points will be in the same position. That means they coincide with each other. So the points may be in the same +7 or -7. Both are the correct answer here. Now after doing the calculation, according to the question, the distance origin to this point is equal to distance origin to this point, and considering, you can consider this point is r. So now r,7, this is 1 point. So origin to r,7 this is, and origin to -7,7. So doing the calculation, we will get here +-7, which is answer B. So now see the next question, question number 13. So here the 13 number question, if nth term of a sequence is un equals to 3 minus first bracket -1 whole to the power n divided by 4, then its fifth term is 2 and 16th term is 1/2. Sum of first 20 term is 15. So doing the calculation, we will get when the -1, its power is odd number. there will be -1. So -1 minus plus, doing the calculation we will get here 1. This is not the correct, this information is wrong. So now next 16, this is the even number, that means -1 will be the +1. So plus minus minus, there will be half. This is the correct answer. Now this is the sum up to first 20 term is 15. Let's see here. If we put the value n equals to 1 and n equals to 2, first time, if we consider this is the even number or odd number, suppose this is 1. So now 3 minus 1 and divided by 4 and is 1 by 4 by 4 is equals to 1. When this we consider this one is for any odd number, and if we consider this one is even number, there will be 3 minus, and then this one will be the +1 divided by 4, and 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. So for all even number, un will be half. For odd number, un will be 1. So now one even odd, there will be first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So up to 20. And if we consider first and second term in one pair, third and fourth term is another pair, and fifth and sixth term is another pair. So here the 10, that means we will get here 10 pairs. 10 pair means just do first pair, their sum will be 1 by 2. So take the 2 is LCM, 1 plus 2 plus 1, this is the 3 by 2. So in the same format we will get here 10 pairs. That means 3 by 2 multiply 10. Doing the calculation we will get here 15, and this is our answer, 15. I hope now this answer is 15. So 2 and 3 is the correct answer. This is the C. Now the next question, another most important question. Question number 14. At 10:15 a.m., what is the angle in between our hand and minutes hand? This is the formula to finding the angle between minutes hand and our hand. This theta is equals to 11 multiply minutes minus 60 multiply hours divided by 2, and this whole one is in the absolute value. So doing the calculation, there will be minus 217.5, and absolute value of this one will be the positive. And when we see here, this angle is greater than 180, that means we have, this is the reflex angle. When we get here the angle greater than 280, that means this one will be the reflex angle. So acute angle will be 360 minus, here answer is 217.5, and doing the calculation 142.5, and this is our answer. So just give attention in this formula. If you get the value is greater than 180, that means this one will be the reflex angle, and in that case we have to subtract this answer from the 360 degree. If we get here the acute angle smaller than 180 degree, that there is no need to subtract again. Okay, now another question, another important question. This is question number 15. First root, second root, third root. First we will do this one, this smallest root, and this x to the power 15, and this root means 1 by 5. Doing the calculation, there will be 3. So now 3, and this is x to the power 12. So 3 plus 12, x to the power 15, and this is now x to the power total. This is 12 plus x to the power 15, and there is another root. That means this root means now there will be 15, then this root means 1/3. After do calculation, there will be 5, and then there will be another 5. That means 5 multiplied, there will be 10 total 5. This final root is 1 by 2. So now x to the power 5 is our correct answer. So here in the shortcut way, this math is given here. So now next question, question number 16. If the points are collinear, then what is the value of t? So collinear means slope of mn is equals to slope of mr is equals to slope of NR. So every 2 points and their slope will be the same. So here slope of MN, that means y1 minus y2 divided by y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2, and this is the slope. The slope of MN is equals to slope of NR, and doing the calculation, this is answer is 8, and this is the D. Now next question, which is the equations of the straight line and connecting the point MN. So this is the connecting point, this is M, this is N. So just write the formula x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2, y minus y1 divided y1 minus y2. So here M means this is x1, this is x2, y1, this is x2, this is y2. Just put the value here, doing calculation, you will get this one is answer. So now 3x minus y minus 12, this is answer number C. So now this is the 17 number question is done. Now the next question number 17, and now see the 18 number question. Okay, from here we can see 18 number question. Which is the rational fraction of 3.3 requiring 504? So now what we see here, after decimal there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so now write the whole number first up to last here. There are 20, there is no requiring. There are two numbers digit, there is no requiring. That means we have to subtract this one. And after decimal, there is a 1 after decimal. This is the 0 without requiring. So that means there will be total 192939. This is the 39, and this is the 0. That means one digit, there is no requiring here. That means there will be 0. Like another example, if we see here, like 3.256 requiring. So here there will be 3256 minus 32 without requiring part, and then there are two digits, they're requiring 9, and there is another single digit after decimal. This is without requiring, that means 10. If we see here 3.31567, there is a 567. So here this formula will be 331567 minus 331. This is the 331, and divided by 3999939. The two decimal places without requiring, so there will be 20. Now after doing this one, you will get the final answer, and which is this one is our answer here, 1138 divided by 555 after doing the calculation. Now the next question number 19. Here the radius of the earth is at the given angle, subtended angle is 3 degrees, then the distance. So distance means here s equal to, we all know, r theta, but must convert theta into the radian. This formula we use for the radian, not the degree system. So radian means there is a 3 degree converted into the radian, 3 into pi by 180, then pi equals to 3.141416. After doing the calculation, we will get this result, approximate 337.20 kilometer. Because here this information given kilometers, definitely this one will be answer in the kilometer. So now this next question, the 20 number question. Okay, this is the 20 number question. Here x square plus y square equal to 7xy. Then these three, observe the following three information. First step, x square plus y square is equals to log 7xy. Log multiply means addition. That means this information is correct. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Again, here we see here x plus y. That means we have to convert this formula into x plus y. So x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. X square plus y square, left side writing the formula, a square plus b square, a plus b square minus twice ab. Doing the simple calculation, you will get here 3 root over xy. So now divide with the, this is the 3. If we divide this one by the 3, not root over 3, this is simply 3. I think we have done here mistake. This is simply divided by the 3. Now we will get here, this is the 3. X plus y divided by 3. After doing the divide, there will be only root over xy. Now take the log in the both side. You will get here second information is correct. Now the third information here we see minus xy. So now there we all know there are two formula of x square plus y square. One formula is called the positive, another formula for the negative x minus y. So x square plus y square equal to this one, and the right side is minus 7xy. So now 2xy shifted to right side, 5xy, and now take the log on the both side, left side and right side, and 2 shifted here. There will be the correct answer. So now D, 1, 2, 3, all are the correct answer here. Okay, next question, 21 number. Which is the slope of the straight line? Definitely we have to convert this straight line into y equal to mx plus c format. So here this mx minus 3xy minus plus c shifted left side to right side. So now if we compare this one, slope is root over 3, slope is root over 3d. Now next question, 24. This is the question number 20. Okay, this is the 23 and 24. What is the eighth? There is sequence. This is the series is given here. What is the eighth term of the series? So here common ratio, and the first term is given. Now eighth term, that means eighth term means AR to the power 8 minus 1. That means AR to the power 7. A is at the and R is 1 by root over 2, 7. Doing the calculation, we will get here 3 by 8 root over 2. So this is 3 by 8 root over 2. Now what is the sum of infinite series? So sum of infinite series, this one, and A equal to first term 3, R equals to 1 by root 2, doing the simple calculation. So here this is now 3 root over 3 divided by 2, taking the LCM, and this divide divide converted into the multiply. Numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. So here 3 root over 2 by root over 2 minus 1. So now both numerator and denominator multiply with root over 2 plus 1. So here in the upper side root over 2 plus 1, there will be formula because minus already given here. We have multiplied with the same and plus sign, root over 2 plus 1. So now doing the calculation, there will be 1. So just to multiply, after doing the simplification, we will get here 6 plus 3 root over 2. This is A is our correct answer. And this is the next question, question number 24. A equal to 1 minus log. There is a mistake here. There will be 1 minus log. P is here base and this is PQ. So now take the minus common and multiply means addition. So this is 1 and do P base and log both are the same. There will be 1 plus minus minus. So 1, 1, 1, eliminating this one. Considering this is the minus 1 and shifted is as a power and power shifted here. This is power 1 using the index formula 1 by this 1. 1 by log of Q base P. So now question requirement is find A inverse. Question requirement is find A inverse. Sorry, 1 by A. 1 by A means this answer shifted again. This is the value of A. So if we convert numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, there will be log Q and P, and this is 1. So log Q and P, this is the correct answer, 24. Now the next question, question number 25. At which point does the straight line at the intersect x-axis? So here we see the equation 5x plus 3y equals to 15. Divided each terms by the 15, you will get here x by 3, y by 3 equals to 1. So this is the formula x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. There is a formula x. This is the equation of straight line which intersect x-axis at a0 and y-axis at 0b. So convert this equation, there will be 3 0 and there will be 0 5. So now question requirement is x-axis, that means 3 0. Or another way you can find, in the x-axis y is always 0. So y, if you consider here y is 0, then 5x equals to 15, then x equal to 3. That means when the y is 0 in the x-axis, so x will be 3. So now 3 0, this is the point in the x-axis. So this is up to 15 question. So dear students, I have discussed the all MCQ here step by step. If you have any question, please let me know. Hope to see you all in the next classes. Inshallah, we will try to find the solution of creative question one by one. Inshallah, you will discuss all questions. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please let me know. And if you like my content, please subscribe my channels. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.